Sarah, and this is BabySpark with the answers you've been looking for. So, tonight I am exhausted after a very long 12-hour shift, but I want to keep putting up these short little videos. I want to try and get all the topics that I usually go over in my childbirth classes and put them up so I can start referring some of my patients and family and friends so they can, again, just log on and get the answers to what they're looking for. So I will do a short one. Today's topic is never shake a baby. Now, that may seem evident and obvious and silly and simple, but it happens. So obviously it needs to be talked about. Not everybody who you hear about with shaken baby syndrome, it's easy to make a quick judgment. How could someone ever do that? But the thing is, when you have a brand new baby and you have not been getting sleep, maybe you've been up for 48 hours because you haven't been able to get sleep with the baby, you are not your normal self. So every single patient that I have, when I do their discharge instructions and I send them home, I talk to them about this. I say, if in the middle of the night you've been up and you're exhausted and the baby's crying and you're so frustrated, even if you were to pick up the baby like this, okay, just like this, and hold them and just go, baby, baby, why won't you go to sleep? Just doing that, because their head and their brain and their neck are so soft and malleable, because they need to be for birth, just doing that would cause their neck and their head to bounce back and forth very hard, like this. The brain would bounce off the skull, and it can actually break tiny blood vessels that can cause permanent brain damage. So my advice is, if you are ever tired, exhausted, frustrated, your body literally is like angry at you for not getting enough sleep. I'm sure you've all been there at some point in your life or another. So what you need to do is, it's always better to just leave the baby in the crib 5, 10, 15 minutes to cry, step outside, reset, come back in, try again. Or call someone and say, I'm at the end of my rope. I really need you to help, okay? Because again, sometimes when you have not had sleep for a very long time, you're almost delirious and you're not in your right mind. So always better to ask for help and, avoid doing something that you'd regret, accidentally, albeit. So that's it. Thank you. Have a great night.